let's just see really what happens. If seller's going to control the market out of the gate, we'll find out, all right? So I'm looking at Netflix. If it does pop upward, I'm looking at Amazon puts. If you guys are quick enough to grab this upward and then have it back down, I'm kind of in the camp of let it do the pop. I grab it at the top, roll it back down. Okay? Sometimes I get a little early because by the time I try to grab the puts, I can't get the spread. So I like to get in a little earlier than normal. That's just what I do. Because when I try to chase it down, I can't get in, and then I lose out on $16. So I sacrifice $16 up to make $65 down Tuesday. I kind of like that ratio, you know?
Yep.
All right, so let's just see if it can hold this lower 296. 296 came up again. Isn't that something we traded that yesterday? Same number, you know? All right, good luck, guys. I'm going to load puts personally, okay?
Yeah, me too.
Put puts in the Amazon and Tesla. I'm going to load puts also, okay?
Daryl, yesterday, Tesla actually had more of a run in puts than Amazon did.
Yeah, so we're going to load puts on Tesla. I like it. And then Netflix, I'm going to load calls, okay? Just because it's stronger, all right?
Sounds good.
Puts, and calls.
Yeah, puts and calls, and take a deep breath, and, you know.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Good fortune, guys.
Let's get some.
Good luck. Let's get some cheddar. Netflix looks like it's showing a little bit of a pop here, you know?
Yeah, it's about the only one.
Yep. Well, we got a minute left here, guys. I'm acting like we're launching in 2 seconds. Minute, that's like, geez, I can almost do a half a mile. You get a minute on the Peloton, man, that's like, I could do 2 miles.
What strike price do you have for Amazon?
I just go 4 up. 4 up from the gray.
Okay.
Now, if I let it load and it still doesn't look like it's a 63 or 66 delta, I just go up 1. You know?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, give it a few minutes. I mean, it's going to take a minute for it to load, and I'm okay with that, you know? Because it's going to let me get the puts because it's going to pop a little bit probably. I'm hoping we get it pop so I can grab the puts up here and let it go down, you know? We'll see this tick, see how it works. It's good times, right?
Yep.
So I'm loading some puts up here. Tick's at 1100, okay? So I'm waiting here a little bit. It's going to pop a little bit, okay? So I'm loading some puts. I'm taking some puts right now. Now, this could pop about $10 up, but I do not want to miss the trajectory down, okay? You know what I'm doing, right? If you're not comfortable with getting in right now and you want to wait till it hits the 290.80, go, then don't do it. Wait a minute, all right? It's going to pop here, all right? Just because the tick's below. Does that make sense? Here goes Netflix. I'm going to grab some calls here. So here we go. It's going to pop up into the 80, 81, and it's going to come back down, okay? I'm grabbing some Netflix. So I'm in puts right now. See how it's letting you in those, and you can get in them, and the spread isn't bad on the put side. Does that make sense? Watch how this just zings all the way back down. That's the new word, zing. So you got the Q's popping, trying to fill the gap halfway here. Is it going to go 50%? Nope. And it's going to come all the way back down, okay? So here we are, 290.80. Figured out that's probably where it was going to go. 50% of here to here is about 290, 299.1. So let's see what happens here, okay?
Where's your stop, Daryl?
Qs are going to roll over, okay? What were you saying?
Sorry, just asking about the stop there on it.
Yeah, you're not going to need a stop. See the Qs rolling over? See them coming down?
Here
See
we
them not
go.
holding 50% of the gap. See it?
Yep.
I really like trading with you.
You do?
Yeah.
Thank you. Just trying to explain it a little more for everybody to understand why I'm trading this way. All right?
Yep.
You can either like wait till it gets to the top of 280, grab those puts there, or you can get them where you want to. That's just where I get my positions. You want to add a little more when it gets to 280, it's just your gig, you know? I've only been doing this for, a long time.
Yeah, I agree with Phil. It's pretty exciting.
Oh, thank you.
Deal. Nice trade.
Yeah, so there's money there, guys. There's big money there, okay? What's the Qs doing right now? Couldn't fill the gap 50%, couldn't hold. Smacked into that average, came ripping right back down, even though the tick was coming up. All right?
Amazon's going to dump, Daryl. It's going to dump hard.
You bet. You bet it is. Why is it bouncing on the 263? That's the close. That's where the resistance was yesterday. 296 was huge. Okay? It's going to have a little problem right there. Then it's gone. But see how you could get in really nice fill on the puts when everybody's trying to grab it up? And then they're just going, oh shit. And they're trying to get out and they just lost their ass. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So we're not losing our ass. We're making money. So it's bouncing here. And it's going to bounce here for a little bit. Because we kind of already figured it out because we did the analysis already, right?
Everyone should be green.
Oh, for sure. You guys should be really green. Because really, here's the open, you know? And then you're getting puts all in this position between 290.70 and 290.80. You guys should be up stupid money right now. There you go, guys. 4 minutes, where can you make this kind of money?
Genius.
And that's stupid money now. What you do now is control half your profit. If you want to take half here, let the rest run. Don't give back half your money. If you're up $4, you're up $8, whatever you're up, depending on where you got in, okay? You can never give back half of what you made, period. It doesn't matter what it is, it's all relative, okay? It's having a problem with this 2960. It's going to spend a little time here, okay? It's probably going to rip all the way back down through here, okay? It's just going to dance there for a little bit. It's going to retest this 296 again. So that's why is it so significant? We already talked about it. There it is, right here, see? That's why it's having problems, right there. It's going to redance on it again, redance on it again, and we'll see what happens. Here we go, okay? I don't even have to look. I know what it's doing, see? Not my first rodeo. See how calm I am? See how I'm not concerned about it? You see how I'm looking at the Qs? You see how 50%? See, it didn't hold it. It's an inverted hammer. Pretty cool, huh?
Amazing.
So if you guys are like, hey, I don't want to deal with this, just take your money. Take your profit. Take half. You know what I mean? So we got a doji on the Qs. It's going to have a really hard time going up, though. Okay? The tick isn't helping us. It's going up. It's not helping us though. It's going to re-zing back down though. It's going to hit about the 400, minus 400, and it's going to start sailing back down. Okay.
Daryl,
What you thinking?
Kirsten already killed it. One contract, $1,200 out.
That's amazing. So you got Tesla moving up. Okay. See it? It's getting to that 1500, that sweet spot of that 1500. Okay. Got a big doji on Amazon right now. I'm moving over to the 15. All right, got a doji. It's bouncing off the 2964. Looks super, super weak. Super, super weak. The market looks super, super weak. I don't see green on the Qs. Do you see green on the Qs? Do you see green on the SPY? No. Do you see green on Dow? No. Ball spread. I don't even. That hasn't been in play for a while, you know? So it's 50% of the upward move of this candle. Can it hold the 297? What's the chances of this holding right here? What do you guys think?
Not good.
Slim, very slim.
So we got a big doji right here, right in the middle. Okay? We got a doji here, so very indecision. Okay? This could go either way. Mine is not up. So my bias, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to see. Okay? And let this play out. But see how you can control your profit and do whatever you want to do. It's your trade, you know? Does that make sense? So right at the top of the volume chart, back at the 290.80, it's probably going to zip all the way back down again. Okay?
Tick's dumping here.
You know how it does this sideways move? It does that up, that down, that up, that down. It's barely holding the pre-market, the Qs. Bet this turns red again. Looks really, really choppy, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Tick's having a hard time getting above 500 negative.
Yeah, and this Qs is trying to retest that 50, move up again. And it's having a hard time hitting the 50 and going higher. Okay? Yeah, Tesla's cooking though. Broke through the 15, you know?
Yep. Tesla trades by itself sometimes.
Trying to see where the Qs are going here. I wouldn't be taking anything long right now, that's for sure. Okay? I think you got a pretty weak market just looking at the daily and the 78. Looks pretty weak right here. Do you see the 78? How it's barely holding right here on your big charts. Your big charts, that does not look bullish to me. Okay? Does that make sense?
And four.
Letting this play out here. 60,000 works really good on the volume. Qs are rolling over a little bit here again. You see them? Can't hold the 50% up. Tick's starting to come back down. Kind of creeping back down here. Tick's coming 500, coming down.
I've got back in here short.
Yeah, I took another position here at the top. Ride this thing back into the 261. Okay.
Could it blow past that?
I don't know. Let's see. Good question. I mean, the Qs don't look real strong. You got a double bar sitting there. Can't hold the 50. Momentum is downward. Okay.
Here we go, guys.
Not taking any long positions today. Well, okay, right now. You know?
Yeah.
I didn't mean to be rude. You know, maybe they may blow through there. Okay.
Looks like we're going to dump here.
So we got a doji again on the 15. Sliding back through the 70 here. It's got to come back into the 290.60. It's going to touch that again. It's going to retest the low of yesterday. Not the all-time low, not the low wicks, but the low of the candles. Okay? Oh, this is too much fun, isn't it?
Definitely is.
And that Tesla's just welded right on the 15, you know? It's a little higher now, though. 207, 1506.
It was just the opposite of yesterday. Crazy.
Let's see what's going on here. Alright. Just slow, you know?
Yeah, if the tick hits 0, we'll know what's up then.
Just slow, but nothing's really moving up too quick, you know? You notice that? Okay, we got Tesla, but Goldman Sachs is moving. Roku's moving.
Netflix is not. It's going down.
So we got a little bit of a mixed market, you know? The ones we watch are all not going up. So it's going to retest the 6.3 again, 2963, 296, 2960, and we'll see where it goes from there, okay? We got a very bearish candle on the Qs. Got a double bar, it just needs to break down through. It's got a double bar on the Qs. Okay?
Yep.
So let's retest this 2963 again, see where it goes from there.
Michael, say it. What's your word, Michael?
Puke.
There you go, man.
Alright,
Here we go.
shadow.
Alright, So here we go. 2963, 2965, 63. So here we got 63. If it breaks through here, we're golden. It breaks down through the low of the days to 2960. See ya. So, manage your profit again. It's your money. Don't give 50% of what you made back at any given time. All right? We're managing profit. We're not managing loss. You managing loss, get out of the trade. Don't ever manage loss. All right? All right, come on, let's go. I'm not saying when you first start off trading and you're in the first 2 or 3 minutes, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking you're 12 minutes into trade and you're managing loss. No good. Does that make sense?
Sure does.
Yes, sir. Here we go. Q's just need to roll here. Break 257.50.
It's having a problem right here because that's yesterday. It's yesterday's thing we talked about. Okay, right here. All right. It's right in that mess right there.
Here it is. Boom.
If it had a feeling it was going to kind of do this little bounce up and down chop. A lot of people can't deal with that. They take half their profit or they get out, but here's where it's bouncing, okay? So, we got that line drawn in for a reason, all right? And just make it up. I wanted to give you a little more in-depth reason why I was doing stuff today, okay? So, you guys want to take your profit here, it's fine. You manage your trade. Do not let it go back 50% of what you made. You like that, Phil?
I love it.
It's just
I'm down.
makes
One
it.
contract.
What are you thinking? What'd you
It
do?
was a quick $1,000. So yeah,
Wasn't bad, was it?
been an amazing week.
We need to make like 60 grand for you, and you got to spend an extra 20, so you need to make 80
Right.
just to get so we can walk on no dirt anymore.
Right. Paid the whole farm, all 100 acres.
Oh, that's a trip. You could just fly helicopters, whatever, in there, right?
I made 900. I got out.
You got what?
I made 900. I got out.
That's not bad, is it?
Nope. But when it went all the way down, I was up 3, but I couldn't get out again. I'm having
Okay.
a problem at the call trade station.
And just do the tutoring also with them. You can sign up for it. Takes about 7 to 10 days. A guy will come in, and he will go over your whole system and explain it. He'll team view in, and you can ask him any questions you want.
Right.
So that's something I've done that a bunch of times. Okay.
Yeah, they're about a week to 10 days out right now.
Yeah. So you just kind of give yourself 7 to 10 days. Then just deal with it that way,
Right.
I still think we revisit the bottom here again at the 2963. It doesn't look really, really strong in the market. We just got a new candle here. This is going to determine what we're going to do right here on the Qs. This is all the marbles right here. Okay, this is it. Tick's kind of coming down off the 0. Okay. Does not holding the 50% up, the Qs. Huge to know that, okay? That means 50% of the gap. It's not holding, okay? We're a little sideways right now, but it sure doesn't look. We have to see what the Qs do right here. It's on the indecision, okay? Sitting right on the average. So it could go either way, okay?
Yep.
Each day's a little bit different, isn't it? It's not all the same.
Thanks, Daryl. I got $7 on Amazon.
Oh, sweet.
Daryl, I got $10 on the first trade, and then I got back in at the top, and then got another $10.
Oh my God.
Thanks.
So you just blew your goal out again for the week.
Just got to change my goal, I think.
Yeah, you're sounding like Bo used to sound. He's always like a parrot, Finally, I was like, dude, maybe just double your goal, man.
Hey, Daryl.
What you thinking?
my matrix crashed right at the open. So all I had was your screen up. I got on my phone, and you just talked me through the trade on the phone. I made 2,700.
That's
Exit off my phone,
Nice job.
looking at your chart and listening to you.
Thank you. That's awesome. So I'm
We have
out
a great room.
of my trade right here, guys. I'm going to close this out, but yeah, it's been a good day. Good morning. Do you see why I just don't want to? I'm not going to manage loss. It went back 50% of my profit. I got out. I can always get back in here when it drops through here. Okay. We can always reestablish at the 70, 2970, and take puts again. You see what I mean? But even if you're only managing a couple $100, so you're managing $5,000, it doesn't matter. It's all relative. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You guys were all going to get there. Just if you're managing one contract or you're managing 20, it's all the same kind of trading. So here we go. We're breaking the 70 again. We could easily flush down through to the 63. These are really hard trades to do because you're trading consolidations. Okay, you're guessing right now. It's at the 50% of this move of today. So you have a 50% chance of winning. You don't really have an edge here. This is 50-50. 70 down would be better, So you guys can take this trade if you want, Where would your stop be? 2981. So that's a big ass stop. That's $10. Look at it, that's $10. It doesn't even look like it's hardly anything there, is it?
Hey, Daryl.
What you thinking?
I had both of my Tesla and Amazon open, and it was just going so fast. I hit Tesla when I thought it was in Amazon. So it was going against us in the morning. I'm like, why is this thing going up? I'm making money. Doesn't make any sense.
Wow.
The next thing it's Tesla. I'm like, shit. So I took money there, and then I had to jump into Amazon afterward.
That's a good problem to have. I'd like to be over in your house right now. That's awesome. I bet you did a cartwheel.
That was like a mistake that went, instead of a fuck up, it was a fuck down.
That's awesome.